downside. Taste success, I'll make it mine. Don't wanna face regrets and pain, so I work 24/7 round the clock, cause I consciously made a choice to never stop what I'm doing. I hardly dream nowadays, I just pursue them. Never dropping pace when I'm moving. If I had $1 for every time somebody called me a nuisance, I would drown in the money grooming. Tall what a gold is surrounded by bad omens. You have to be broken to heal and build your shoulders. Every bad moment is a blessing and a curse, with a lesson that is worth more than you could ever know it. Slow it down, rethink every thought. If your dreams weren't meant to be, then why would they come to your mind? Walk or crawl if you can't run. A battle might be lost, but war, it isn't done. Believe. You got it, you got it. You really got to believe. You got it, you got it. You got to believe. You got it, you got it. You really got to believe. You got it, you got it. You really got to. Bruised in pain, but mood seduces gain, so I move with a huge smile on my face. I had some filthy obsessions, but hope removes stains. Now I'm obsessed with success beyond monetary gain. Voluntarily stay working every hour of the day till I pass out, but if I could, I would've never laid down to sleep. I'm from where you have to escape, cause only for so long you have the strength to remain sane. And maintain your calm with melee disarmed. I ain't gonna live from payday till tomorrow. They say I'm lost, I say they're wrong, cause they just can't see the path I'm trying to walk. I don't take it to heart, their eyes they can't see, so they disguise blind spots or words aimed at me. My mouth gets bigger when it's threatened by defeat. Future doesn't care about opinions, only facts and beliefs. Believe. You got it, you got it. You really got to believe. You got it, you got it. You got to believe. You got it, you got it. You really got to believe. You got it, you got it. You really got it. If there was just one thing that life taught me, then that would be that the key ingredients to achieving your dream is how much you believe. Now, what separates a winner from everybody else is not the amount of luck that he has, not anything else, but how much he believed. Believe.